Hi, in this video we are going to set up local server and start one of example devices to check if everything works as it should. What I'm about to do is described in Quickstart tab on project page. Below you can find a link if you want to learn more about Stargate system. Okay, let's get down to business. You can download local server directly from the link or using download tab. I'm just going to click the link and wait until it's downloaded. Looks it's done. Now we need to install it. Here is a link to reference on installing Stargate components in general. As you can see on the page, local server is written for Node.js, so first of all you need to have Node installed on your machine. Be minded that minimum Node version that is guaranteed to properly support all Stargate components is 18.17 or later, so make sure your version is at least 18.17. I don't have Node.js on this machine yet, so let's install it now. Here on the page you have some helpful links that will take you directly where you should be. I'm on Windows now, so I'll just click the link for Windows and I can instantly download the latest long-term support version of Node for Windows. Now as I have Node installer downloaded, let's start it and just follow instructions. So, next. I won't change any default settings. Here you have this option to install some additional stuff. It's not required by Stargate system, so I'll just leave it as it is. If you need it, you can check it. And Node is being installed. Let's give it a moment. It shouldn't take long. Great, Node is installed successfully. Now we need to install local server. Let's unzip it anywhere. Location doesn't matter, actually it's totally portable. You can even move it to another machine as long as it have proper version of Node. Local server is an npm package, so you can just use terminal to run npm install and npm run start commands. But if you are on Windows and you're not yet familiar with using terminal, you can just use install and start scripts. Under the hood they are just invoking mentioned commands on your behalf. So I will launch install script and wait a second for npm to install all dependencies. As mentioned on the page, you probably will see a warning prompt like this on starting script the first time. I'll click more info and run anyway option that just appeared. Now npm is installing dependencies. Fine, local server is installed. I will press any button to close the window and launch the start script. As you can see, the content of terminal window looks pretty similar to the one on the page, means local server is up and running. If I press Ctrl button and click the link, it should open user interface in default browser. Perfect, local server is accessible. You can use this link on any device in your local network to open user interface of your server. For convenience, the link is also saved in server link txt file, so you can upload it to your Google Drive or something similar, but it's totally up to you how you want to share the link and if you want to share it. Okay, user interface says no devices available. Well, no surprise, we didn't yet started any. Let's change that now. As Quickstart guide suggests, I will quickly set up range converter example. For now it doesn't matter what is it for. You can read about it on the page if you're curious. It's just to check if a device connects to server properly. So I follow the link, download attached package and proceed the same way as with local server. For the purpose of demonstration, I will use terminal this time. Let's hit npm install. Installed. Very well. Now npm run start. And great success! We have our first device connected to local server. For simplicity, I have started it on the same machine as local server, but actually you can run it on any machine within your local network. It will find the server automatically. Note that if I shut down the device, its state is immediately reflected on user interface. Same if I restart it. What if local server goes down? Let's find out. All system components are aware of server state and are able to restore connection when server is back online. Let's start it back. Cool, connection is restored both on user interface and device. And that would be it for this tutorial. Hope you like it. If you want to share anything with us, feel free to comment under this video. Any feedback will be greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching and see you on other videos.